Hi Rashma, today let's dive into one of the toughest aspects of the real estate world, sales. It can be highly rewarding, but it's not without its challenges. Have you faced any major hurdles in your sales journey?
Oh, absolutely, Chandrasekhar. Real estate sales is a competitive field. One of the biggest challenges is dealing with market fluctuations. Prices can swing due to economic changes, interest rates, or even government policies. That makes it hard to predict how the market will behave.
True, and with every client, you are playing a different game. Buyer expectations are another major challenge, right?
Definitely, clients often have high expectations. They want the perfect home at the perfect price, which isn't always realistic, especially in a fluctuating market. Managing those expectations without losing their trust is tricky.
And don't forget about competition. There are so many real estate agents out there. Standing out and getting clients to choose you over someone else's stuff.
Exactly. You have to constantly network, market yourself, and build relationships. It's not just about selling homes but building a personal brand. That takes time, effort, and consistency.
Another challenge is the legal side. Every transaction involves tons of paperwork, contracts, and legalities. Missing any detail can lead to major issues, even lawsuits.
Yes, staying on top of local regulations and ensuring compliance is a must. Plus, some clients may not fully understand the legalities, and it's your job to guide them through the process.
And let's not forget time management. Real estate agents often work around the clock, weekends, late nights, because you have to be available when your clients are. Balancing multiple clients while staying organized can be exhausting.
Absolutely. And finally, securing financing is another major challenge. Some buyers may struggle with mortgage approval, which can delay or even cancel a deal at the last minute.
So, in summary, the challenges include market fluctuations, managing buyer expectations, standing out from the competition, dealing with legalities, time management, and financing issues.
Exactly. But overcoming these challenges is what makes the real estate business so rewarding. If you have the right mindset and strategies, you can turn these challenges into opportunities.
Well said, Rashma. And that's why we're here, to help aspiring real estate agents navigate these challenges.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the real estate business.